In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use NerdWallet effectively to manage your finances. First off, let's get you started by setting up your free account. Head over to the NerdWallet website or open up the NerdWallet app on your device. You're going to want to look for the sign up button, which is conveniently located in the top right corner. By clicking on it, you'll be prompted to enter your email and create a password. Don't forget to confirm your account afterward. If you prefer a quicker login process, you can also link your Google or Apple account. Once you're all set up and logged in, you'll find yourself in your personalized dashboard ready for action. Now let's move on to linking your financial accounts. This is an essential step in making the most of NerdWallet's features. Navigate to My NerdWallet and then to Linked Accounts. Here you can connect your various bank accounts, credit cards, and loans. NerdWallet uses Plaid, a secure service, to protect your information with encryption. Once everything is linked, NerdWallet will seamlessly track your spending, balances, and provide a comprehensive view of your net worth. Next, let's check out your credit score. By navigating to the credit score section on your dashboard, you'll gain access to your free credit score, powered by TransUnion Vantage Score 3.0. Dive into the details of your credit report, where you'll learn about your payment history, credit utilization, and any hard inquiries. The platform will even offer suggestions to improve your score over time. For optimal results, make a habit of checking your score at least once a month, because NerdWallet automatically updates it for you. Exploring and comparing financial products is another fantastic feature. Under the Compare section, you can browse through an array of options, be it credit cards, banking products like high-yield savings or checking accounts, various types of loans from personal to mortgages, and investment opportunities such as robo-advisors. When you click Compare, you'll see all rates, perks, and eligibility criteria displayed neatly. Use the filters to narrow your choices according to credit score, card type, and more, so you can find the perfect fit for your needs. NerdWallet also comes equipped with powerful financial tools and calculators. You'll find a budget calculator for tracking spending and reaching savings goals, a mortgage calculator to estimate the costs of a home loan, an auto loan calculator for monthly payment estimates, and a debt payoff planner to structure a repayment schedule. These tools offer personalized recommendations based on the information you provide, empowering you to make informed financial decisions. It's also a great idea to stay informed in real time by enabling notifications and insights. Turn on email or app alerts to receive updates on credit score changes and account activity, as well as recommendations for new financial products. Finally, don't overlook the wealth of information in NerdWallet's articles and guides. Whether you're interested in credit card strategies, taxes, personal budgeting, or even travel rewards, you can find expert written content to suit your needs. Simply search by topic or explore through the provided tab. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering NerdWallet and optimizing your financial health. Happy managing!